In this video, I'm going to explain how NFL Sunday Ticket works in 2025, so you can understand exactly what you're getting before subscribing. If you're a fan who wants to watch every out-of-market Sunday game, this guide is for you. NFL Sunday Ticket is a subscription service that gives you access to every out-of-market Sunday afternoon game live, which means you can watch games that aren't broadcast in your local area. It's perfect for fans who follow teams from different regions or want to catch multiple games at once. The service is available through YouTube TV or primetime channels, and it supports TV, mobile devices, tablets, and computers. You can watch on multiple devices at the same time, and features like Multi-Game View let you follow several games at once. There are also add-ons like NFL Red Zone, which lets you see all the scoring plays and highlights across all games in real time. You can even pause, rewind, or watch full game replays if you subscribe to the premium version. Pricing starts around $380 for the full season, but students and military personnel can get discounted plans through verification services like SheerID or ID.me. So, in short, NFL Sunday Ticket works by giving you full access to out-of-market games, live streaming, multi-device support, and optional red zone coverage, all legally and conveniently. If this video helped you understand NFL Sunday Ticket, hit like and subscribe for more sports streaming tips and guides.